Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer number of tools and apps out there promising to streamline your life? It's like trying to find a needle in a digital haystack. One app that's been making waves in recent years is Notion. But who is Notion truly best for? Let's dive in and find out. Section 1. What is Notion? Brief overview. Notion is a versatile all-in-one workspace that combines elements of note-taking, task management, and knowledge base. It's like having a digital Swiss Army knife for your productivity. Key features. Notes. Create and organize notes in various formats, including text, images, and links. Databases. Organize information into structured databases with customizable views. Pages. Connect related notes and databases into pages for a more cohesive workspace. Templates. Access pre-built templates to jumpstart your projects. Collaboration. Work seamlessly with others on shared projects. Section 2. Who is Notion not for? Traditionalists. If you prefer pen and paper or a simple note-taking app, Notion might be overkill. Tech novices. Notion's flexibility can be overwhelming for those who aren't comfortable with learning new tools. Those seeking a rigid structure. If you need a highly structured task management system with strict deadlines and dependencies, Notion might not be the best fit. Section 3. Who is Notion best for? Students and academics. Notion can help students organize their notes, assignments, and research. Freelancers and remote workers. Notion provides a centralized workspace for managing projects, tasks, and client communication. Teams and businesses. Notion can streamline workflows, improve collaboration, and create a shared knowledge base. Individuals seeking a personalized workspace. Notion's flexibility allows you to customize your workspace to fit your unique needs and preferences. Creative professionals. Notion can be a powerful tool for writers, designers, and other creatives to organize their ideas, projects, and resources. Section 4. Notion use cases. Personal productivity. Create daily to-do lists, track habits, and organize your life. Project management. Plan and manage projects, assign tasks, and track progress. Knowledge management. Build a personal or team knowledge base to store and share information. Note-taking. Organize your notes, research, and ideas in a structured and accessible way. Content creation. Plan and organize your content, from blog posts to social media campaigns. Section 5. Tips for getting started with Notion. Start with a template. Use a pre-built template to get started quickly and see how Notion can work for you. Experiment and customize. Don't be afraid to try different layouts, views, and features to find what works best for you. Leverage the community. Join online communities and forums to learn from others and get support. Take advantage of Notion's integrations. Connect Notion to other tools and services to enhance its functionality. Are you ready to take your productivity to the next level? Notion might be the perfect tool for you. Give it a try and see how it can transform your workflow. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.